Good morning, guys. So, alis na naman kami. Diba? So, mag-drive na naman kami ng 2 hours para kunin yung aming mirror. Napaka-expensive ng mirror na yan. That's Craig. I'll show you Craig. No.
No, what?
That's my babe. My handsome babe.
Hello, babe.
And very, very macho. Ooh, I love the muscle.
That's a good shirt, mate.
Hmm?
It's just the shirt.
You're guwapo, babe. Bye, guys. Alis na kami. Bye, hotel. Bit-bit niya yung sapatos ko kasi nagsuot ako nito. My hair. Kasi hair. Hi guys! We are in the car now and it's raining, guys. It's very, very, very rainy day here in Launceston. But we're going to Hobart. We have to drive 2 hours. And after that, we'll get our mirror. Yay! Yay! I'm so excited. So we can display our mirror in the big wall.
Which fits in the polo, babe.
Oh no, don't say that. We drive this far.
Just get back down next weekend.
Oh no.
No?
No, we have to fit it. I'd rather you can put this,
Yeah.
you can pull this down and I'll go there in the side. It's alright. I will
It's
just
not okay, babe.
I will just hug you in the back. Yeah. As long as we can bring the mirror back. That's the important part. So yun guys, say you lighter and it's very rainy out for you. Tingnan niyo yan guys. Grabe ang ulan guys. Basang-basa. It's a big rain. Woolies. Kain muna kami dito.
G'day, how are you?
Tapos na kami doon sa bakery, kumuha kami ng aming breakfast habang nagda-drive si Craig. So, bibigyan ko siya ng food. So, see ya! So, I give my babe a food. Sandwich? You want the sandwich first?
Fine, babe. I want it.
Not really. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Do you want me to try
Yeah,
it?
you try it first and see if it's any better.
It's not hot, but it's very crispy. Look how messy. And we got this. La, la, la. Kuha kami yan guys. Yum. It's so pretty. We're here guys. We're almost here.
Sunny day in Hobart.
Yeah, it's raining in
Terrible
Launceston.
day in Launceston.
But here, oh wow, it's very. That's what we want, so we can walk in the city. Ooh, that's
Babe wants to shop.
yes. So we're here na guys. Doon kami pupunta sa Freedom.
You can see.
Now, there is there. So guys,
Lucky we chose that park really, babe, because I can't see any
hi
others.
guys. Sobrang lamig guys. So dyan kami pupunta sa Freedom. Freedom. So nandito na kami guys. So ito yung mirror na kukunin namin guys today. Yan yung sample. Ooh, it's
I reckon we'll
might just have to move your seats forward a
good
little
point.
bit.
So, nandito na guys, ang aming salamin na sobrang laki. Lakad-lakad tayo dito guys.
I know.
So, gala-gala lang kami dito, guys. Laki, oh. Hi, everyone! And now we're going, we're done na, roaming around and we got our mirror. So, it's time to go for 2 hours drive. Good luck to my husband. 2 hours.
3.5.
3.5? Why?
No.
Oh.
Penny.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 3.5 guys. Ugh. I was wrong. It's not the same as yesterday. So yun, guys, good luck to my babe. So guide us all, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this safe travel today. And I'm going back home now.
Yep, so far so good.
Yes, guys. Bev, we bought a new necklace and pendant and earrings, guys. So another gold for me. So yun, guys. And then finally nakita ko na itong apple cider. Matagal ko na to hinahanap dito kasi wala siya sa Woolies and sa other supermarket here. Now we finally found it. So iba to try ko kay Greg. Maganda kasi to sa sa water, cleansing siya. 1 spoon and this is what I'm using before when I was in the Philippines. I don't know, they have this in the Philippines a lot. Yun, guys.
So they've got a few American products, I guess.
Yeah, I think so. And I think Australian wants to use Australian products more rather than other country. So yun, guys. Then dumaan din kami sa Cotton On. Everything is the wipe shopping. If I ask Craig, no, I'm okay, babe. I don't need anything. Wala, my hair is curly now.
Yeah, could be the weather.
No, it's because I tie it.
Oh, righto.
So yun na, guys, alis na tayo. Babalik na tayo ng bahay para malagay na yung aming salamin. Ilalagay namin sa aming may iba na naman ang ating display sa bahay. Yan, bumili ako nito. Usong-uso to ngayon so isuot natin. But because my hair is short, hindi siya masyadong makita for sure. And hindi na umuulan dito, guys. Hindi siya ulan dito. Talagang sunny siya. Pero it's very windy. Kaya malamig. Malamig talaga. Ganda, oh. Oh, that's very uso ngayon. Pakita ko kayo dito. Ayan, ito na tayo, guys. Layas na tayo. Goodbye, Hobart.
Did you put the doodah in your hair, babe?
Yes, my love. Look. But you're not looking yet because you're driving. This is the church that I like too. The same church. Look at this one. Oh, we cannot see. But yeah, that one is pretty. So, ang mga building dito sa Hobart is like
Yeah, they're not bad buildings, are they?
yeah,
They're sort of old style, but they've been maintained. pretty
yeah,
good.
old, but it's like still looking good.
Yeah, because Hobart
They
was
maintain-
settled a long time ago.
Yeah. So it's ganda. Ang ganda yung mga building. So we got my husband, guys. Ang gwapo-gwapo
Poggy,
talaga.
poggy.
Pogi. Macho. Pogi. Ooh. Yummy.
You like the shirt, babe?
I love it. So yun, guys. Dito na kami. Same clock when we were in Sydney.
Similar.
Similar.
Boy, don't punch people when they get in the car, though.
I didn't punch you.
Boy,
You hurt me.
sorry, babe.
hours drive. We are home. And Bev is opening now the mirror. That's our mirror.